I'm back with my new video where I'm going to show you a fix where everyone is related to this. Like if we try to open Davinci, uh, we're gonna stuck in this screen, the loading screen, and it never loads. So it's fixed for me. uh, how I did it, let me show you what happens. Like if you try to open it, this happens especially if you have an ATI Radeon card or any Nvidia card, and we generally used to, like, throughout the day we used to wait for it. Oh my god, we had done everything possible to make it work, but it never worked for us. So what happens is, it used to, in Fairlight, this screen used to hangs for a while, okay, and your project never loads. You are in this screen of continuous loop. So here's a fix how I made this work for me. I simply launched my control panel, that is AMD or whatever. Make sure GPU scaling is enabled. Just enable the GPU scaling and bang, this will open. You can see it's opening, ready. So this is the fix that worked for me, and it will really save the day and time for you all guys. Please do give a like button if you really like this fix and it really helps and really worked for you, and do like, subscribe and share it and help others for this too. Thank you and have a nice day.